People here are some of the brightest around, and they're incredibly hardworking, and it's tough keeping up with them, but it's very rewarding.
Our company has grown extremely fast. We went from a very small place to a much larger facility here. It's pretty awesome to see that.
We really care about people, we care about their ideas, because they have expertise, they have knowledge, and we want people to apply that.
We are an engineering-driven company. The proof is in the part, and our customers are extremely happy with it, because I've seen a lot of hyper-growth in a small amount of time.
A lot of the people that come to Markforged for on-site visits are really excited to see our technology in action. Literally no one else is doing the composite 3D printing. It's really exciting to be in that type of environment.
We empower innovators so they can change the world. We've been growing quickly, and the crazy thing is watching not just how the company's grown, but how individuals have grown. We can accumulate the best ideas, be it from any different department, be it from a supplier, be it from a customer, wrap those into the product, and always deliver better products.